to my channel. Separating Bitcoin from blockchains. Which one has economic value? Many street greeters banks have generally tried not to put strike forwardly in digital currency. In any case, many are discreetly attempting to coordinate blockchains, the innovation behind crypto, into exchanges and different organizations. Goldman is now exchange a few bonds and other obligation protection for clients on blockchain based organizations like Ethereum, and the bank is building its own blockchain based exchange stage. JPMorgan Chase as of now has a stage set up called Onyx. Beyond banking, Walmart Inc. has blockchain for following its stockpile chains. Inland, some title organizations have involved it for recording home ownership. Blockchain's innovation will overhaul every monetary assistance, said Tom Farley, the previous leader of the New York Stock Exchange. All things considered, Wall Street firms have been exploring different avenues regarding blockchain's project for basically the beyond 5 years. In spite of much promotion, few widespreadly affect how monetary exchange happen. Others have tapped out. The gathering of European insurance agency shaped a consortium called in to investigate blockchain involved in their industry. In July, the consortium shut down subsects to raise new capital. Blockchains will come. Bitcoin can be isolated from blockchain. However, it is now demonstrated that blockchains neither necessitates nor requires Bitcoin. Critically, Bitcoin is a public, disseminated network that requires meaning and enormous measures of power to work. The blockchain frameworks until by Goldman and Walmart, a permissioned authority. The supposed benefit of Bitcoin permissionless disparate networks substance under expanding energy expenses to run it, enormous records and transformation costs from Bitcoin to dollars, euros, and so forth to work as cash. Permissioned blockchains will ultimately be a major feature. Furthermore, it will be a feature without Bitcoin. Bitcoin is unsteady excessively for value-based use and to rely upon energy. Thank you. See you.